That's the truck. Morton Buildings, it's got some limbs on it. But look at this. I don't know if you can see all the limbs down across the yard. Oh boy. But from here, the cabin's looking good. We'll have to go over there and see. We'll walk around it, but my goodness. And then you got the big old barn. It did okay. Wow. So we found the tin that came off of the machine shed. There's a piece right here, and there's a piece inside the enclosure of the pond. I can't get this to...
The perch is still up.
And it flew all the way down there from the top of the machine shed. And it's heavy stuff. So there's the piece of tin that came from the machine shed, flew into the enclosure of the pond. This is the sheep shed that it's been down. And there's our trash can that we keep up by the Morton building. Barrel got pushed over. There's the big barn, and there's the machine shed that the tin came from. Wow. Let's go see the cabin. We'll walk up there. Yeah, a lot of debris, a lot of branches down. Well, let's go check out the cabin and see if it's got any dings and dangs on it. Well, the yellow iris are doing fine. And my tomatoes, so. And there's the cabin. Isn't that crazy? The bird bath is standing. Yeah, we got some branches on the stairs. Front looks good. The west side looks like it's got debris and stuff on it. P-tack's okay. Well, I hope the bluebirds survived. We'll straighten your house out in a little bit. Okay, I think the back of the cabin, I guess that's debris. I hope it's not holes in the siding. Can you see the rock? Little pieces of rock in the grass? That was all picked up by the wind. That rock is never in the grass. And then this is the east side. It again has a lot of debris on it, but it's looking okay, I think. Holy cow. Kind of glad I wasn't here for it.